CBD oil and cat. CBD oil comes from the hemp plant and has gained popularity in recent years due to its potential health benefits for both humans and animals. In cats, CBD oil is sometimes used as an alternative therapy for various ailments, including pain, anxiety, inflammation, and seizures. Here are some important points to consider if you are considering using CBD oil for your cat. Quality and purity. Choose our high-quality CBD oil that is organically grown and free of pesticides, heavy metals, and solvents. Dosage. Start with a low dose and adjust slowly based on your cat's response. In the video description you will find a link to the order page for high-quality CBD oils.